everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Soni and please subscribe to my channel as I post videos on makeup, fashion and lifestyle. Today I'm gonna be sharing very basic makeup for college office going girls. Lot of product की ज़रूरत नहीं है. If आपको क्या करना है, you just have to use a good moisturizer and let's just directly dive into the video. So I do not have anything on my face, bare skin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply a very good moisturizer. And for that I'm using this one from LANNEIGE blue hyaluronic gel moisturizer because I have a very oily skin. and मैं सेफोरा गई थी यहाँ पर वैंकूवर में, तो उन्होंने मुझे सजेस्ट किया कि ऑयली स्किन को हमेशा जेल मॉइस्चराइज़र ही यूज़ करना चाहिए. सो आई एम गोना टेक very good amount and I'm gonna apply all over my face, ears, neck. This is very good moisturizer. It just makes my skin so good and अच्छे से moisturize कर देता है मेरी skin को. and जो भी बचता है उसको अपने hands पे लगा लो because waste नहीं करना. And now, which is second most important part which you cannot miss, कभी भी नहीं मिस करना है. विंटर समर हर सीज़न में आपको यूज़ करना है. and which is sunscreen. And the sunscreen that I am using from last 7 months since I landed here, it's from VICHY and ये SPF 60 है इसके अंदर, which protect UVA and UVB. both of them are very harsh for our skin. So I'm gonna take lot of, it's like quite a lot and ये काफ़ी टाइम से चल रही है. just it's like lot. apply all over your face अच्छे से. starting में it looks like you will be a clown, but धीरे धीरे वो अपनी स्किन में जो लेफ्ट ओवर है वो अपने हैंड्स पे कर लो. सी द स्किन नाउ. अगर आप अपनी स्किन को अच्छे से प्रेप करोगे ना, तभी आपका मेकअप बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. अदरवाइज देयर इज़ नो यूज़ ऑफ putting makeup on your face because it's gonna end up breaking out your skin and वो आपकी स्किन पे बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब दिखेगा. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply some lip balm and for that I'm using this from Sephora. Just apply it. It has a very nice applicator. See, बिना मेकअप के भी स्किन कितनी अच्छी लग रही है because I have applied lot of moisturizer, lot of sunscreen. उसकी वजह से एकदम अच्छी हो गई है स्किन. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take concealer and for the concealer I'm gonna use, please focus कर लो. yeah. so मैं ये लगाऊँ and it has a very nice applicator and मेरा जो shade है इसके अंदर that is Amber 385 which just matches my skin completely. So I'm gonna apply very little. And आप सब ये सोच रहे होंगे कि why you applying all over your face, because मैं फाउंडेशन को अवॉइड कर रही हूँ. that's a reason. Now just blend this all over your face. And for the brush I'm using this from Rufa Beauty. These are my brushes which I got from India. See, एकदम blend हो गया. Now what you have to do, take the powder. Very oily skin है, so I always use powder on my skin. For that I'm gonna use this Fit Me. Okay, now powder is done. Let's take some blush. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply this blush on my cheeks, जो थोड़ा सा hint देने के लिए. And I'm gonna be taking very little, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो गया. अप्लाई लॉट ऑफ ब्लश, जो कि बहुत जल्दी उड़ जाता है क्योंकि दिखता नहीं है स्किन पे, सो इट्स बेटर टू अप्लाई लिटिल बिट एक्स्ट्रा. एंड नाउ आई एम गोना फिल माय आईब्रोज. Okay, so for the eyebrows I'm gonna be using this NYX pencil. I'm gonna comb my eyebrows. And fill the gaps. Eyebrows are done, and let's just apply very tiny bit of highlighter. मैं highlighter पसंद करती हूँ पर regularly नहीं यूज़ करती इतना. Alright guys, so for the highlighter I'm gonna be using this ELF highlighter. It's very mild and just matches my skin completely. And I'm gonna be taking this brush which is for highlighter. Alright guys, so highlighter is done. Now I'm gonna apply some of the eyeliner. And अगर आपको काजल या eyeliner पसंद है तो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. मुझे ऐसे लुक्स में काजल बहुत पसंद है, so I'm gonna be using Kajal from this brand called Mamaearth, and it's an Indian brand. I got it from India and बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा काजल है. And now what you have to do, just smudge it. I'm gonna be taking pencil brush and just smudging out. That's it. Alright guys, so finally all of the things are done. Now what I'm gonna use mascara because मुझे mascara बहुत पसंद है. Okay, and for mascara I'm gonna be using this Sky High from Maybelline. See my lashes, oh god. What's wrong with this mascara? Just, open up the eyes. I'm not gonna apply on my lower lash line because मुझे lower lash line पे पसंद नहीं है. So we are almost done, and now lipstick part is left. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply very what do you call, like जैसे कोरियन लोग नहीं करते हैं, बिल्कुल पिंक lips रहते हैं. So for that I'm gonna be using this lip and cheek tint which I applied on my cheeks as well. And I'm gonna be taking very little on my hand. Like this. Alright guys, so this is the makeup that you can create for everyday look, and it's very simple to create. Minimalistic product, आपको ज़्यादा कोई प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड लुक एट द ग्लो, बिकॉज ये ग्लो तभी आएगा जब आप अपनी स्किन को अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज करोगे, अदरवाइज नहीं आएगा. एंड आप इसको ऑल डे वेयर कर सकते हो. एंड लुक एट, आप इसको पास से भी देख सकते हो. Just looks like my own skin, and I loved it. So if you love this look, then please give my video like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. I'm just learning and I'm a little bit nervous on YouTube because I'm just you know, जैसे जैसे आप सीखते हो, you get more comfortable on camera. So I'm just trying my best to, you know, be comfortable in front of you guys. And if you really enjoy my videos, I know that my voice is really down, but I'm just I'm working on that, and definitely for sure एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब मैं चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोलूँगी. If you create this look, then please do let me know on my Instagram. I'm gonna share my Instagram handle on the screen as well, so that you guys can reach out to me over there. And I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching.